Hello, kids. I am Lupo the Fox. Today we learn animals. Let's start. This is a dog. Woof, woof. The dog is friendly. Say dog. Dog. Look, this is a cat. Meow. The cat is cute. Say cat. Cat. Wow, this is a cow. Moo. The cow is big. Say cow. Cow. Look up. This is a bird. Tweet, tweet. The bird can fly. Say bird. Bird. Let's say them again. Dog, cat, cow, bird. Great job. See you next time. Bye, kids.